Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we will discuss about waterfall charts. In our previous classes, we have discussed about histogram, bar charts, all those things. This is a continuation class. Please follow our playlist from the beginning so that you will have a better understanding of the complete Python for data science. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, so waterfall charts are mostly used whenever you want to identify the cumulative effect of a variable over time. In these situations we will use waterfall charts. Anyhow, you don't understand what's the cumulative effect over time, all those things will be understood by looking at the waterfall example. Let's take an example and understand how the waterfall chart will be visible. So in order to construct the waterfall chart, the example dataset which we consider the sample store dataset, hoping that you already know what's our sample store dataset, import waterfall underscore chart. This is the package which we are going to module which we are going to import. If you don't have the waterfall chart package module, pip install waterfall charts. So this is the package, this is the module you have to install using the function pip install waterfall charts. No need to mention the underscore there, just write it as waterfall charts, charts. So if you download that module, from that we are going to import waterfall underscore chart. Using this we will construct the waterfall chart. The dataset which we considered here is in the sample store dataset we are taking the subcategory and we are taking the profit value, sum of profit values. This is how our data looks like, subcategory and the profit value is considered. So when in the x variable we are taking the temp.index values, means the subcategory values are taken in the x-axis and the profit values are taken in the y is taken as profit values. If you construct the waterfall chart, let's try to understand this. First try to understand the waterfall chart, then we go for the coding. So this is how our waterfall chart looks like. See here, taking the accessories, what is the profit? 41.936 thousand. This is the profit which we got. Cumulative effect, it is adding from here. What's the value we got after this? This is the value we got. This is the profit after adding this. The best example for this is, suppose if you want to check the profit according to the month wise profits, that January, February, March, April, over time, that is what the meaning of waterfall charts gives us, a cumulative effect of a variable over time. That is the best example for the so you do it on your own according to the, so take the month wise profits and apply the waterfall chart here. Because we using this example, we using this subcategory and profits many of the times, that's why we have chosen the same example, but you do it on your own by taking the month wise profits. Okay, January and February, March, April, so on. And if you are having negative profits, it is going down. If it is having it is given in green color, means positive profits, negative profits means red color is given, and the last one, net value, is given as a total value. The final, after applying all these categories, what is the total profit you got? That is what it is mentioning, cumulative effect. This is how waterfall charts are constructed. Now coming to the example, waterfall underscore chart dot plot of x comma y. If you give it as x comma y, x is taken as a x values is taken as a temp dot index, y is taken as a profit values, waterfall chart will be constructed. Here we are taking plt dot rc parameters of so what is this? matplotlib dot pyplot. We are having a method called rc. In that rc, if you go into that rc, we can use this rc params and you can mention the figure and line with different options, properties. You can change the properties according to that using this rc parameters attribute. And other ways are also there. We already discussed the other ways how to define the figure. No need to use this rc parameters according to the situation. We are explaining different possibilities, that's it. RC parameters, we can use the figure method to define our figure. So we can change the face color in the figure parameter options also. So this is one of the way, that is the other way. Other ways are discussed in our previous classes. So according to we got a situation to show here, so that's why we are showing it. figure dot face color is equal to yellow. That's why we got this face color as yellow, and the size of the figure is taken as 10,6. Waterfall chart is is constructed, and x-axis rotation is equal to 90. That's why this x-axis rotation is 90 degrees. You can, this is one of the way you can change the x-axis rotation is equal to 90. You can use waterfall chart dot plot options also to convert your x-axis variables into 90 degrees. Below it is the other way we are showing it. Net label is equal to total. What is this net label option? Is the last one is taken as net. If you want to change that variable name, net label is equal to total. By changing this, that last variable is taken as a total. And the rotation value is equal to 90 means, see here, we got the rotation. Without taking the x-axis, rotation is equal to 90. By using the options of waterfall chart dot plot of, we can rotate the x variables also. And coming to the next one, sorted parameter. One more parameter which we discussed. Sorted parameter means the variables are taken according to the values, according to the descending highest, next one. Here it won't consider negative or positive, it will consider according to the value. According to the value, those are arranged. Okay, the final one is this is the one. Okay, these are the parameters which are mostly used in waterfall model. If you want to go deep into the concepts, according to your requirement, if you want to do some modifications, you check the documentation and identify according to your requirement. Hope you understand the concept. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.